Hello, Katie here from Katie's World. Welcome to my channel. In this video, we're going to do some paper piecing on a new page kit coming up called the Mandalorian. This is going to be page kit number 102. This particular paper piecing has only 2 pieces, but the top one does have a lot of areas we need to get glue on, and we need to be careful not to do too much because it's going on a mirror image. So I apologize for the glare and the reflections of this paper, but yeah, so we don't want any glue like smearing too much, especially like this really fine piece. And another trouble, the glue does dry quickly, so we need to kind of work fast. So let's see, this is my first time working with this piece, and I think it looks really cool. I just hope it glues down okay. Okay, and I'm just squeezing it very lightly. I don't want too much glue coming out. I don't want any glue coming out the sides. But it does dry quick, so I can see it's already starting to dry in some areas. Oh no! Because I'm not letting too much glue come out. Maybe I'm not letting enough glue come out. It's already dry over there. Oh my goodness. Okay, oh, almost done. Okay, so I see some areas where it's dried a little bit already. Okay, so right here we need some. All right, let's get this thing down and hope for the best here. I want to make sure it lays down right in place so that no glue gets where it's not supposed to. And it's perfect. It's the same size as the mirror paper. So you just want it to line up perfectly. So I'm like pushing around the edges. Okay, I'm going to just press down. Don't rub because you don't want it to move. Oh, see some of that glue. And then if you get glue on your fingers, you want to be careful you don't push down. So I can use the back of my hand here. Oh, some glue's trying to ooze out. That's what I'm afraid of. But the mirror paper is a really cool effect. I think it looks much nicer than just doing a solid gray. It's just a little more trickier to handle here. I'm just going to go in with my nail very gently because I don't want to scratch it either. Okay, see, there is glue in some places. Oh, yucky. Okay, so that's kind of the tough part right there. How to get that on without yucking it up with the liquid glue. Maybe the trick for this one is to go ahead and use the tape runner or dry adhesive. That might be the best way to go. So if anyone has any suggestions, or if you get your kit and try something different, please feel free to share in the comments below. I might have to try this one again with the tape runner before I put it on my sample. That might bother me. Okay, well, there you have it. I think that one. It's gotta go there. Okay, so let me give you a closer look. Yeah, you can see the ceiling. Okay, thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please click the like button. And if you didn't, I completely understand because this one we had some issues. But thank you so much for watching anyway. If you'd like to see more videos from me, please subscribe to my channel. Click that like button. And thank you so much for watching again. Have a great day.